Welcome. Today, we're taking a journey deep into the past, exploring the fascinating field of paleoecology. Think of it as time travel for ecologists, piecing together ancient worlds to understand how life interacted with its environment millions, or even just thousands of years ago. Why look back so far? Because understanding Earth's history is critical for understanding its present and future. Paleoecologists are like environmental detectives. Since we can't directly observe these ancient ecosystems, we rely on clues preserved in natural archives like lake mud, ice cores, ancient soils, and rock layers. These archives contain proxies, indicators of past conditions. Fossils are perhaps the most famous proxy. The bones, shells, pollen, seeds, and even microscopic remains tell us who lived where and when. The type and structure of sediments themselves reveal the landscape. Was it a rushing river, a quiet lake, or a windswept desert? Geochemical signals, like stable isotopes trapped in fossils or ice, act like ancient thermometers or rain gauges, revealing past climates and vegetation. And remarkably, new techniques allow us to extract ancient DNA directly from sediments, uncovering species missed by traditional fossil hunting. Even microscopic charcoal particles tell a story, revealing the history of fire on the landscape. By carefully combining these different lines of evidence, paleoecologists can reconstruct vanished landscapes, climates, and ecological communities with surprising detail. But paleoecology isn't just about dinosaurs or ice ages. It also provides a crucial long-term perspective on the human footprint. Long before the Industrial Revolution, humans were significantly shaping ecosystems. By analyzing pollen, ancient DNA, charcoal, and archaeological remains, we can trace the spread of agriculture, the clearance of forests, changes in fire patterns driven by human activity, and the impact of hunting. The disappearance of large animals, the megafauna, in many parts of the world often coincides with human arrival, suggesting our ancestors played a role, alongside climate change, in these extinctions. Paleoecology shows us that the environmental changes we see today, often linked to the concept of the Anthropocene, have deep historical roots. So why does studying these ancient worlds matter today? This deep historical knowledge is incredibly valuable. It helps set realistic goals for ecological restoration projects by showing what ecosystems were like before major human alteration. Studying how life responded to past climate shifts helps us predict how species might cope with future warming. It informs conservation strategies by revealing long-term ecological dynamics and resilience. And fundamentally, paleoecology provides the essential context for understanding our species' cumulative impact on the planet. By looking back, paleoecology gives us the long-term perspective needed to navigate our environmental future. It connects the deep past with the pressing issues of the present, reminding us that the history of life on Earth holds vital lessons for the future.